What's good, YouTube? It's boy Pree, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, we about to do match the girls based on the car. And I got with me today
Alex.
So let's go, Alex. We about to go through these cars. We're gonna match them based on what's in their car. Okay?
All right.
So let's go. All right, people. So we at the cars right now. I'm gonna let you choose which car you want to go through first. This one. The Range Rover. Come on, let's go. So, I mean, we got some hand sanitizer in here. We got some cologne.
So she got headaches.
How you feeling?
I don't know. I feel like she hard-headed because she got like headache medication over here.
Right.
She might be a little hard-headed for me, but she care about cleanliness. You know, she got this hand sanitizer. She got the mask.
We got the mask. COVID.
I mean, she's probably not wearing it,
right,
but
so
at least it's there. Yeah.
All right.
She healthy. She drink water. Shit empty. No, it's not.
Hydration.
You feel me?
All right, let's take a look in the back.
She drinks a lot of water, means.
I can see an umbrella in here.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
So she seemed like she's a really prepared person. She got even more water. So she
Drinks a lot of water.
She's thirsty. Okay. Ooh, she got a pet, I think. Helped by Alexander. She got a dog. She a dog person.
Dog person.
All right. Oh, dog snacks like that. So it's like good shit too.
It's like good shit.
Yeah, it's like $6.
$6.
So she take care of her dog.
How you feeling? What kind of female you think this is? Is she tall? She short? She's light skin? Dark skin? What kind of female you think this is?
She's probably in school. Light skin. Not light skin, but like brownish. Feel me? Like not dark, not light. Short.
So in the middle type.
Exactly.
All right. So let's go to the next car. All right. So we at the second car. Go ahead. Pick it. Fuck it. That's the Lexus. All right. Let's go in the Lexus. I don't like this order. We did the same order in the last video.
All right. We're gonna switch. Okay. So we got more water. But she ain't even finished this one, so she ain't even that hydrated for real. This water kind of warm, like it's been here for a while.
Been here. Look like some
messy,
got some candy in there. Messy.
Yeah, facts. She got another mask in here. Bro, you supposed to throw them away. It's a single-use mask, man.
Single-use mask. Messy.
She got a sweet tooth, though.
All right, so you think she messy? Got a sweet tooth? Let's check the back.
Let me not say messy. I don't want to hurt her feelings. Like, she a little chaotic. You feel me? A little disorganized.
Some sweats.
Lotion, so she moisturized, so she got good skin. You feel me?
Lotion. Let's see what's in the back.
Light skins don't have to. You feel me? I see that fragrance tree. At least the car smell real good. I'm not even gonna lie. Dude, you talking about she got some forks back here? She hungry?
On the go.
But nah, her car smell good though.
All right.
You know, she got hygiene materials in here.
What kind of girl you think this is?
All right, I feel like. All right, she's definitely dark skin because of lotion, because they're the only ones we know how to use it. You feel me? Light skins be a little ashy. I feel like not that she's very like on the go, very chaotic, very like she always doing something, always moving. She probably like going out. You feel me?
So on the go type of person.
Exactly. She probably in this car a lot. That's why she got the forks.
All right.
Traveling. There you go.
All right. So we gonna go on to the next car. All right. So we had last two cars. Which one? Let's go with this one. Oh, we over here. Let's go. Since we on this side, let's see what we got in here.
All right, first thing I see, I take back what I said about the other one. The other one, she very organized, very clean. This girl got food still.
Got some McDonald's over here.
Yeah, got some coins on the floor. I don't even know if that's McDonald's. She like to eat. She like to eat though. I like that.
Like to eat.
Exactly. She knows what she wants. She sounds like a person who knows what she wants. See a lot of masks. Like 3 of them. So I mean, she care about COVID. Some hair ties. Oh.
So how we looking? What kind of female?
Nah, she got brains on her head. I see
smart.
some books. Yeah, she educated. I take back everything I said. This one perfect. She got books. I don't know what this is. I don't know. I ain't. But I see she probably in the medical field. Probably doing some medical stuff. She's probably a nurse. Yeah, probably a nurse. Yeah. Most definitely.
All right. So you think a nurse and what else?
I think she's impatient. I don't think she got patience because, you know, she ain't even got the time to take the old masks, and throw them away. Got the food from the old food, the new food. So she's very impatient. So it seems like she's always in a rush. Since she's probably a nursing student and always in a rush, she's probably rarely home. You feel me?
Homebody type shit.
Yeah, not like when she's at home, she really studying, or she out doing what she's supposed to do. You feel me?
All right.
I ain't see no lotion in the car though, so she might be light skinned.
Light skin.
Yeah.
All right. They don't really need lotion.
Exactly. You see that he can't see it. You feel me?
He's light skin. He talking about exactly. Yes. But anyways, we gonna go to the last car. Let's get it. All right. So we're at the last car. Let's go through the trunk.
So, I think she works out. She definitely works out. Nah, is that her shoes? Jesus
Hella
Christ.
shoes.
So that means she on the go, because, like, you only keep shoes in your car if you, like, ready to switch shit out. But she real active, because I see a skateboard in there.
No, she got some speakers in here, thumping.
So she be doing stuff. She probably the life of a party. So is this lotion? Body wash. All right.
That's
so she
body
definitely, okay, she a gym girl. She out there, she moving. You know, she ain't lame. She ain't like staying at home all the time. She probably like, you know, out and about, getting a workout on.
All right, let's take a look in the back.
Ooh, she Jamaican. Okay, she Jamaican me crazy already. This kind of warm, so she probably bought this a while ago. So she a prepared type person. I see a little workout bottle back there. Yeah, she seemed really sporty. I ain't gonna lie to you. The car smell nice. Yeah.
All right, so what kind of girl we thinking?
I'm thinking
short, tall, dark skin, light skin.
Short, really into maintaining herself. You feel me? Like maintaining health, maintaining how she smells. Exactly.
Right.
Probably brown, like I don't know, middle brown or whatever.
In the middle, in between.
She's a little too prepared, so she might be dark skin. I don't know, like that. I don't really see trash in there like that. Just like, you know what I mean? Like it's disorganized, but it's not like trash disorganized. It's just like she doing stuff. She out and about. She, you know, getting stuff done.
All right, so that's all the cars, and let's go ahead and bring out the girls. All right, guys. So we brought out the girls, as you can see. Let's see how much he get right out of 4. Let's go, Alex. Girls. No, not all the girls. All right, so based on this car over here, out of these 3 girls, who you think? Matt, go ahead. Who you think drive this car right here?
Let me see your hand. Go like this. Just go like this. Yeah. You too? All right. You for this one.
All right. And what about the Range Rover?
You in the blue.
And
yeah.
all right, so out of all 3, how much you think you got right?
All of them.
You got all 3 right?
I think so.
All right, y'all go to y'all right cars.
Dang.
So you got her right and you got her right. So let's go over here. Let's go over here. So how did you know it was her car?
All right. So I saw those medical books in the back, and I know that there's like strict rules for like med students where they can't have their nails out too long or whatever. So I was like, yeah.
So that's why you was like, oh, let me see the hand.
Exactly.
All right. Let's go over here. How do you know it was her car?
Chaotic energy. She chaotic, man. The mask everywhere. But she lit. She had a good time. So I felt like it was her. Yeah.
All right. That's good. And why you thought she drove the room?
Because I didn't know this one was still in it. Because I was like, the 4th person out here. So I thought we were just only doing these 3. because I was looking at her cabs and I was like, dang, she like definitely looked like she be doing stuff. So I was like, but then I was like, dang, there's only 3, so let me just go with
that.
Yeah, you feel me?
All right, man. So that's it. He got 2 out of 4, 3, right? Whatever. However y'all want to go. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Pree. We out.